Hey guys, I'm back. So, exactly 11 days ago, I posted a video welcoming my sorrel to the season, and today's harvest day. And after that 11 days after I posted that video, something very terrible happened to me. If you know, you know, and I'm in recovery. So, this is me and my sister when she came to help me out. Um, we went to the small backyard garden that I have to harvest these wonderful sorrel to make some juice. I asked her to harvest them for me because it was medically impossible for me to do it at that time. So I asked her. She's cutting them one by one off the plant, and I'm not sure that's how it's supposed to be harvested, but yeah, whatever. It's supposed to be the vine cut, not the vine, the plant, the trunk, whatever it is, or they just cut down the whole tree. But I'm gonna see if this plant is gonna give me a second crop. So I say just continue cutting them one by one to see if it might give me a second crop. Hopefully it does. But these are sorrel, and it's the season for sorrel. So we are harvesting these beauties. They are beautiful. I will just have sorrel in my garden just for the color, just for probably a flower, right? Because these are beautiful, especially when they're blooming, right? As you can see, the colors, they're red, so they're ready. There are different types of sorrel. You have the white ones. I've never planted the white ones before. This is my first crop of sorrel that I'm getting to harvest. I've planted sorrel before, but they never really come to anything really. So this is the first time I'm harvesting sorrel. I could have had a few more trees, but I was hit by some fungus on the tree, some white flies. So yes, this is my first time harvesting sorrel from my backyard. So there's not a lot of things in the garden at this time. I have passion fruits, I have these sorrels, and I have peanuts. And currently there's some beans, they're not ready yet, and some scotch bonnet pepper, they're not ready yet, they're just blossoming. And I think gungo peas, they're blossoming as well in the end of this November time of year. So while we were there cutting these beautiful hibiscus, they call them hibiscus, but here in the Caribbean we call them sorrel. I don't know if it's just my country alone. If you're watching from other country, let me know what this plant is in your country. What's the name of it? Just leave a comment below. So yes, while we were cutting the sorrel, we noticed these beauties, these butterflies. They're mating, and my camera couldn't zoom much, but I saw where one of the butterflies, they came out of a cocoon. Yes. So these are the beans that I was telling you about. They're coming, they're blossoming, they're not ready yet, but yeah, that's in my backyard garden. These are the peanuts. They are not ready as yet. I think I might have to do some research on when peanut is ready, because I am not sure when they're ready. So I asked my sister to just pull out the roots and just harvest those to see if they are ready. Some of them were ready, some of them were not ready. So if you want to give me some tips on how to plant and harvest peanuts, please do, because I want to plant more peanuts in my garden for next year. Hopefully by then I'm up and running, but right now I cannot plant anything. Right now I can't move anything, so I just gotta sit here and rest until next year. Hopefully everything is okay. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is what